Algebra of matrices. Scalar multiplication of a matrix, addition and subtraction of matrices, multiplication of matrices. So first, scalar multiplication of a matrix. For example, A is equal to AI is a m by n matrix. K is any scalar. Now here Aij is an element of the matrix A. K is a scalar. Multiply every element of the matrix A by the scalar K. That means we get K into Aij. This is the element obtained by multiplying Aij by the scalar K. This is a new element enclosed by the bracket. Now this is also a matrix, same order m by n. This matrix is K into A. How did we get this? We have multiplied the matrix A by the scalar K. So K into A. Here K is a scalar, A is a matrix. That's why this is scalar multiplication of a matrix. Multiplying a matrix by a scalar. So multiply every element of the matrix A by the scalar. For example, A is equal to matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is of order 2 by 3. Then I would like to find 3 into A, means multiply the matrix A by the scalar 3. So multiply every element of A by 3. 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 4, 12. 3 into 5, 15. 3 into 6, 18. So this is a scalar multiplication of a matrix. One more, if you want to find minus 2A, multiply every element of A by minus 2. Minus 2 into 1, minus 2. Minus 2 into 2, minus 4. Minus 2 into 3, minus 6. Minus 2 into 4, minus 8. Minus 2 into 5, minus 10. Minus 2 into 6, minus 12. This is scalar multiplication of a matrix. Addition and subtraction of matrices. When two matrices can be added and when can be subtracted. Two matrices A and B we have taken. Matrix addition or subtraction is possible only when both the matrices are having the same orders. A is of order m by n, B is also of order m by n. Then only addition and subtraction is possible. Addition means A plus B, subtraction means A minus B. This is possible only when both are having the same orders. Then how to get this matrix A plus B? This A plus B is a matrix obtained by adding the corresponding elements of A and B. Adding the corresponding elements of A and B. A minus B is a matrix obtained by subtracting the elements of B from the elements of A, corresponding elements. I will explain you with example. A is equal to 7, 6, 4, 0, 1, 5. B is equal to 0, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, 7. A is of order 2 by 3, B is also of order 2 by 3. Two matrices with same orders we have taken. So now A plus B is possible. Just add the corresponding elements. 7 plus 0, 7. 6 plus 2, 8. 4 plus 3, 7. 0 plus 4, 4. 1 minus 1, 0. 5 plus 7, 12. Added the corresponding elements. Similarly, A minus B. Subtract B from A. So subtract all the elements of B from the elements of A. 7 minus 0, 7. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. 0 minus 4, minus 4. 1 minus of minus plus 1, 2. 5 minus 7, minus 2. So this is addition and subtraction. Next, multiplication of matrices. When two matrices can be multiplied. For example, A is a matrix of order m by n. B is a matrix of order p by q. Now two matrices A and B are said to be conformable for multiplication. That means they are ready for multiplication only when the number of columns of the first matrix A, that means n, number of rows of the second matrix B, that means P, are equal, that means n is equal to P. Number of columns of A is equal to number of rows of B, then only AB is possible. For example, A is a matrix of order 2 by 3, B is a matrix of order 3 by 4. Number of columns in A 3, number of rows in B 3. Since these two are same, product AB is defined. And what will be the order of this product? This will be given by 2 by 4. Just take the ends. 2 by 4 is the order of the product. Similarly, if you want to find whether BA exists or not, first write B 3 by 4, A 2 by 3, number of columns in B 4, number of rows in A 2. These two are not equal. Since number of columns in B is not equal to number of rows in A, so BA is not defined. So what can be observed here? If AB exists, it is not compulsory that BA also exists. It may be exist or may not be exist. One more, if A is of order 2 by 3, B is of order 3 by 2. AB is defined. The reason, number of columns of A is same as number of rows of B. So AB is defined and its order is given by 2 by 2. Then I am checking BA. First I am taking B 3 by 2. A is 2 by 3. Number of columns of B, number of rows of A, both are same. So BA is also defined. It is of order 3 by 3. So in this example, AB is defined, BA also defined, but they are not equal. Why they are not equal? Two matrices are equal only when their orders are same and the corresponding elements are same. But here AB is of order 2 by 2, but BA is of order 3 by 3. Both are having different orders. So AB is not equal to BA. So in general, for any two matrices A and B, AB is not equal to BA. That means matrix multiplication is not commutative. So what is the important point here? When two matrices can be multiplied, number of columns of the first matrix A is same as number of rows of the second matrix, then only matrix multiplication is possible. We will take one example. A is equal to matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is of order 2 by 3. B is equal to 4, 3, 7, minus 1, 0, 2. This is of order 3 by 2. Now I am going to find AB product. So whether it is defined or not, we need to check first. Number of columns in A3, number of rows in B3, both are same. So AB is defined and order is given by 2 by 2. Means 2 rows and 2 columns. So first row, first column. Take rows from the first matrix, columns from the second matrix. Multiply the corresponding elements and then add. 1 into 4 is 4. 2 into 7 plus 14. 3 into 0 plus 0. This is first row, first column. Next, first row, second column. First row from A, second column from B. 1 into 3, 3. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. 3 into 2, plus 6. Next, second row, first column. Second row from A, first column from B. 4 into 4, 16. 5 into 7, 35. 6 into 0, 0. Next, second row, second column. 4 into 3, 12. 5 into minus 1, minus 5. 6 into 2, plus 12. So simplify this. 4 plus 14 plus 0, 18. 3 minus 2, 1 plus 6, 7. 16 plus 35 plus 0, 51. 12 minus 5, 7 plus 12, 19. So this is matrix multiplication.